Welcome back, explorers. Today, we're venturing into the unknown, where fear and fascination collide. Join us on a spine-tingling journey to some of the world's scariest forbidden places that defy human exploration.
The world's strangest place, the Silent Zone. A large number of unusual meteorites have been found in a desert area near Bowles and Temapami, Mexico. Radio and compass stop working. It is said that everyone who has been there has experienced a strange itch in their body. It is a coincidence that the Zona del Silencio, like the Bermuda Triangle, is located between the 26th and 28th parallels. Snake Island or Island of Death. The Ilha de Queimada Grande is located about 18.6 miles, 30 kilometers, off the coast of the state of São Paulo and was separated from the Brazilian mainland at the end of the last ice age. The island is uninhabited, difficult to access, and not recommended for a stop during your Brazil trip. Why? The island is also known as Snake Island or Island of Death because of the countless snakes that live there.
North Sentinel Island. The Sentinelese people, residing on North Sentinel Island in the Indian Ocean, are a Stone Age tribe that has inhabited the island for an estimated 60,000 years. Their population ranges from about 80 to 150 individuals, and they maintain a hunter-gatherer lifestyle reminiscent of the Stone Age, devoid of agricultural practices. Numerous attempts to contact this tribe from the outside world have resulted in vehement hostility. The Indian government has established a policy of non-interference and limited contact with the tribe in order to protect their way of life and prevent the potential spread of diseases to which the Sentinelese may have no immunity.